Okay, so now I'm going to create a play method. Def play self and this method is responsible for starts the game and manages the game loop. I'm going to use infinite loop while true self port print port. Now I'm going to take user input row. I'm casting the input as integer input, enter row, call, third column, okay, we've got row and column from users, so we can make a move. If self port make move row call self players self current player symbol. Now we are going to check if we have rows, columns or diagonals filled with free symbols. Self port is winner, self players, self current player, symbol. We are going to print the port. Print player self players self current player symbol wins. And we can break the loop. Self current player equals 1 minus self current player else print invalid move. Try again.